The City of Napa Valley Wine Train is a historic railway company that offers scenic tours through the famous Napa Valley wine region in California. It was founded in 1989, with the aim of providing visitors with a unique and memorable experience while exploring the local vineyards and wineries. The wine train was built on the tracks of the original Napa Valley Railroad, which was established in 1864 and was used to transport passengers, goods, and produce between Napa and Calistoga. Over the years, the wine train has undergone several renovations and upgrades to its vintage train cars, which have been refurbished to provide a comfortable and elegant experience for its guests. The train features dining cars, lounge cars, and observation cars, where passengers can enjoy a gourmet meal, wine tastings, and breathtaking views of the Napa Valley. The wine train is now considered one of the top tourist attractions in the Napa Valley, attracting thousands of visitors each year. It offers a range of tours and packages, including lunch, dinner, and wine tasting tours, as well as special events and seasonal offerings. The wine train has become an iconic symbol of the Napa Valley and a must-visit destination for anyone interested in wine, history, and scenic beauty. Castello di Amorosa is a medieval-style castle and winery located in the Napa Valley region of California. The castle was built by Dario Satui, a third-generation vintner, and was designed to replicate a 13th-century Tuscan castle. It took over 14 years to build and was completed in 2007. The castle is a unique and striking sight, complete with drawbridge, towers, and a moat, surrounded by vineyards. Inside, the castle houses a winery and tasting rooms, offering visitors the opportunity to sample some of the finest wines produced in the Napa Valley. The winery produces a variety of red and white wines, including Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, and Pinot Grigio, among others. In addition to wine tasting, the castle also offers guided tours of its many rooms and chambers, showcasing its historical significance and attention to detail. Castello di Amorosa has become a popular destination for tourists visiting the Napa Valley, offering a unique blend of history, wine, and architecture. The castle is considered one of the finest examples of medieval-style architecture in the United States, and is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, wine, or architecture. The French Laundry is a Michelin 3-starred restaurant located in Yountville, California, in the Napa Valley. It is one of the most prestigious and renowned restaurants in the world, known for its innovative and exquisite cuisine, impeccable service, and elegant dining room. The French Laundry was founded by Chef Thomas Keller in 1994, and has since become a symbol of fine dining and culinary excellence. The restaurant offers a multi-course tasting menu, with each dish showcasing the freshest and finest ingredients from the Napa Valley and surrounding regions. The menu changes regularly, based on the availability of seasonal ingredients, and is designed to provide diners with a unique and unforgettable culinary experience. In addition to its renowned cuisine, the French Laundry is also known for its wine program, which features a carefully curated selection of wines from the Napa Valley and beyond. The restaurant's sommeliers are experts in wine pairing, and are dedicated to helping diners find the perfect wine to complement their meal. The French Laundry has received numerous accolades over the years, including 3 Michelin stars, 5 James Beard Awards, and numerous other awards and recognition from culinary institutions and publications. It is considered one of the best restaurants in the world, and is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in fine dining and culinary arts. Oxbow Public Market is a food hall located in the historic Oxbow district of Napa, California. It is a vibrant and diverse gathering place for local residents and visitors, offering a unique and delicious experience for all who visit. The market features a variety of local and artisanal food vendors, offering fresh produce, meats, cheese, bread, and much more. Oxbow Public Market also features several dining options, including cafes, restaurants, and food stalls, where visitors can enjoy a range of cuisines, from local farm-to-table specialties to international dishes. There are also several wine and beer tasting rooms, as well as a coffee roaster, providing visitors with a variety of beverages to enjoy while exploring the market. In addition to its food offerings, Oxbow Public Market also features a range of shops and boutiques, selling locally made products, gifts, and souvenirs. The market is designed to be a gathering place for the community, and regularly hosts events, workshops, and classes, providing visitors with a unique and interactive experience. Oxbow Public Market is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in food, wine, and local culture. It is a hub of activity and energy, showcasing the best of the Napa Valley, and providing visitors with a one-of-a-kind experience they won't forget. Calistoga Hot Springs is a popular spa and resort located in the town of Calistoga in the Napa Valley region of California. The hot springs are known for their therapeutic mineral waters, which are believed to have healing properties, and are a popular destination for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. The resort features several hot spring pools, ranging in temperature and mineral content, allowing visitors to find the perfect soak for their needs. There are also several spa treatments available, including massages, mud baths, and mineral water treatments, designed to help visitors unwind and relieve stress. In addition to its hot springs and spa treatments, Calistoga Hot Springs also features a range of accommodation options, including lodges, cottages, and tent cabins, providing visitors with a comfortable and convenient base for exploring the surrounding area. The resort is also located close to several local wineries and attractions, making it an ideal destination for those looking to combine relaxation with adventure. Calistoga Hot Springs is a popular destination for both locals and tourists, offering a unique and rejuvenating experience in one of the most beautiful regions of California. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a little of both, the Calistoga Hot Springs are a must-visit destination for anyone visiting the Napa Valley. Sterling Vineyards is a winery located in the Napa Valley region of California. The winery is known for its stunning views of the valley, unique winemaking techniques, and top-quality wines. Sterling Vineyards was founded in 1964, and has since become one of the most recognized and respected wineries in the region. The winery features a scenic aerial tram that takes visitors up the hillside to the tasting room and winery, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding vineyards and valley. At the tasting room, visitors can sample a range of Sterling Vineyards wines, including Chardonnay, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Pinot Noir, among others. The winery is also known for its innovative winemaking techniques, using methods such as barrel fermentation and malolactic fermentation to create unique and flavorful wines. In addition to its wine tastings, Sterling Vineyards also offers a range of tours and experiences, including vineyard tours, winemaking tours, and behind-the-scenes tastings. Visitors can learn about the winemaking process, the history of the winery, and the unique terroir of the Napa Valley, all while enjoying some of the finest wines in the region. Sterling Vineyards is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in wine and winemaking, offering a unique and memorable experience in one of the most beautiful regions of California. Whether you're a wine enthusiast or simply looking for a scenic and enjoyable day out, Sterling Vineyards is a must-visit destination in the Napa Valley. Yountville Park is a public park located in the town of Yountville in the Napa Valley region of California. The park is a popular destination for both locals and visitors, offering a beautiful and tranquil setting for outdoor activities and recreation. The park features several walking paths, picnic areas, and open spaces, perfect for families and visitors looking to enjoy the beautiful surroundings. There are also several outdoor art installations and sculptures on display, providing visitors with a unique and interactive experience. In addition to its natural beauty, Yountville Park is also known for its events and activities, including concerts, festivals, and farmers markets, providing a lively and bustling atmosphere for visitors. The park is also located close to several local shops, restaurants, and wineries, making it an ideal starting point for exploring the surrounding area. Yountville Park is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to enjoy the great outdoors in the Napa Valley. Whether you're seeking a relaxing picnic, a lively festival, or simply a stroll in the park, Yountville Park is a beautiful and enjoyable destination for all who visit.